Fun-filled and at the same time challenging moment for many of you. We cannot promise to be kind this time because the road to success is not easy. In as much as learning is not easy. If you hate reading, that means you don't want to learn. And if you don't want to learn, success is far-fetched. Okay? So what we will be doing is I will be exposing you part of our takeaways to become better and eventually to become the best. We cannot promise overnight we can do that, but with your 13 weeks of journey, with the able hands of PBC, let's give them a big round of applause. This is my 4th year. From the very beginning, they have a different name. They change it for the 2nd time, and for the 3rd time, it's Masterclass. I'm so proud of this group of individuals. Not just because Dr. Ben is a very close ally of mine from the beginning, but I happen to be on my feet. I learned a lot from these vibrant individuals. That's the first step. You need to recognize that you need help because you're not perfect. No one is, right? And so even if we happen to be in the university, I teach in the doctoral program and in the master's program. So my exposure with you is not just on the pragmatic side of handling business. The other firm that I have is a consulting firm. I do organizational development consulting, even back in the Philippines. So it's a combination of a hodgepodge of both what we can offer in terms of the models. We cannot go away with the theoretical constructs. But of course, it's not everything. We will go beyond what the models would say. Let's say the evidence-based model, what does that mean, and the technologies that go with it in the pragmatic way. All of these things are conglomerates of the 30 years of my experience, and again, as a proud in-house on-call speaker, this is not the only thing I have run with them. Last time I had my book writing with them, it was also jam-packed. A lot of people in this same hall, because this year I was able to launch my 6th book, which some of the case studies in our masterclass will be taken from. And these are actual experiences of different organizations as they rose up from the ranks, as they reach a different pinnacle of success. So it's basically going beyond what the academic would tell us. The reason why, again, for the 2nd time, I'm so proud with these individuals who have crafted the best of the best for this effort is that if you will come to content analyze the IMT and Harvard entrepreneurship classes from their MBA classes, it's like getting a piece of all of those into one program. So right now, one of the most, I think, emerging trend is for people to really enrich their education. This is